had to turn that down. Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday. Hopefully y'all can see me. I just wanted to open up the vlog real quick, or open it up for the day, because y'all will see the weather is changing. Like right now it's not snowing, but we supposed to get snow later on. I don't think it's going to be a lot of snow, but we are getting some snow. Okay, so I kind of wanted to open up the vlog. Right now it's not snowing, but it's most definitely like a drizzle, a slow drizzle. So yeah, I feel like I was very productive over the weekend. I recorded like two videos for my I'm like really close in your face. I recorded 2 videos for my second channel and 1 video for my main channel, which is an eyelash video. So those should be up pretty soon. I might just go ahead and get that eyelash video on out, because it's going to be a quick, like a 3 to 5 minute video. Very super fast. And then the other ones, the other channel, I did a Jack Daniels video, the new apple, I think it's called Tennessee apple. And then I did, let me check the time, I gotta roll. And then I did the Tennessee honey. So those videos will probably be up within the next couple of weeks. So yeah, it's time for me to get back on this route. The weather is changing. I did not know we were supposed to be getting a lot of snow. Well, I shouldn't say a lot of snow. I guess I don't even know how much snow we're supposed to be getting. I don't even look at the news. But right now, it's like sleet almost. Dang, and I forgot today is Veterans Day. I forgot and I didn't forget, because I was gonna go to the License Bureau. Not the License Bureau, but the I don't even know what they call it. Whatever they call them. I gotta renew my plates. So I gotta do all of that stuff by the end of the month. Thank goodness. Only thing I have to do is emissions, which suck ass because it's just stupid. I'm gonna let y'all see this. See y'all later. This is not my season. I'm a summer baby. So I'm finna head home, y'all. Like I said, I wanted to go to the, my hair wet now. I wanted to go to the License Bureau to pay my taxes, my personal property taxes, so I could get my plates. I wanted to kind of get that started, rolling, because I got till the end of the month to take care of all that stuff. So I kind of want to go ahead and do that. But I forgot today was Veterans Day, and they closed. So yeah, I kind of want to stay at work, but I don't want to stay at work. You know, because I know this weather. I'm just gonna leave home early today, because this weather is gonna be horrible today. It's gonna be horrible. I need to figure out what I'm gonna eat. So I forgot I can't do that, because y'all can hear it on the screen, and I'm sure y'all can hear the ice hitting the windshield. So I'm gonna keep this short and cute, and I'll come back. Y'all gonna see the snow. This is our first snow of the season, and today is November the 11th, 2019. This is our first snow of the season. Now, like I said before, I am not a winter person. I'm a fan of spring, basically spring weather. I know I don't like all the rain in the spring, but I love the weather in the spring where it's warm, and then it get a little bit cool where you just gotta wear a light jacket. That's the weather I love. Now, I don't know what state has weather like that all year round, but y'all leave that at the bottom. Which state has like 80-degree weather all year round, which I don't think none of them do. But that's the state that I want to move to. That's the type of weather I love. But here we are. Let's see, what is the temperature? The temperature is 36 degrees. Sucks. And my finger, I burnt my finger and it's still a little messed up. I don't know if y'all can even see that. I don't know why and how I keep injuring this finger. But it's a little red. So, yeah. With my route, and I know y'all probably can't see me, but OMG, it is horrible out here. Oh my goodness, I'm just so happy I made it back to this base. Now I gotta try to make it home. I honestly think I'm gonna sit here until traffic die down, because it's horrible out here. I think I almost had, well, I ain't gonna say accidents, but I slid twice in the bus. Jeez. It's horrible out here, y'all. Just a little bit more light. I'm gonna buy a light for in here. I'm gonna buy me a ring light. Because when I'm recording in here and it's dark outside, y'all can't see nothing. But like I said, it's horrible out here. Man, and I think it's because earlier today it rained and now the temperatures has dropped. And now the ice and now the snow is on top of it. It's horrible. These days like this is the days that I really don't like driving, because it's like, you know, you really put your job at risk, as well as the people that you're driving. You know, the kids on the bus. It's just, yeah, it's hard, you know. But like I said, I'm just happy I made it home. Well, I'm sorry. I'm just happy I made it back to the base. Now I just got to make it home. But I'm going to sit around here until I think traffic has died down. You know, because like I said, it's so much ice. And I don't want to be in the middle of all that. So I'm just going to wait until traffic died down and then head home. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave comments at the bottom. Y'all be safe. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.